It's been described as a landmark study that could revolutionise the treatment of breast cancer. British researchers say breast cancer is not one disease but should be seen as 10 different ones. The discovery could lead to better treatments and tailor-made drugs and also spare some women unnecessary treatment. Rebecca Barrett reports.
It's set to change the way doctors think about breast cancer, no longer as just one disease, but 10 subtypes of the disease.
It's so exciting to think that we could potentially develop treatments that are specific to the subtypes, to the particular fingerprint of the tumour.
British researchers analysed 2,000 tumours, tracking the progress of the disease in each woman. They examined the molecular structure of the tumour cells, looking at how the genes behave differently and mapping them with coloured barcodes. This allowed scientists to identify the 10 different types of breast cancer.
For some women, we are identifying groups with such good prognosis that we could spare them toxic therapy because they might not benefit from it. And in contrast, there are other women where with current treatments, their prognosis is very poor, and therefore we should target those women for novel treatments that will lead to better outcomes.
It will take at least 3 years for women to reap the benefits of the findings. Doreen Jones took part in the British study and takes cancer medication daily. She responds well to current treatment, but not everyone does.
There'll be hope for a lot more people in the future. I'm just so glad I was part of it.
There's plenty of optimism about the findings published in the journal Nature.
Obviously, the next phase of activity will be in conducting clinical trials that look at these particular subtypes and which develop targeted treatments for them.
Rewriting the rulebook on breast cancer could also lead to new drugs and better diagnostic tests, helping more women survive. Rebecca Barrett, ABC News.